Good morning dear student, welcome to our maths class. We were doing chapter number 8, which is trigonometry. I already told you about the trigonometric ratios: sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosecant, secant and cot theta. These are trigonometric ratios. Today we will start exercise 8.2, which is related to trigonometric table. What is the trigonometric table? According to this table, I have some angles 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. These angles I have. In this table, I can find the value of these angles if given sine 30 degree, sine cos 60 degree, tan 45 degree. I can find the values. But how I have to find the values, I will told you a trick. It means here is, you can assume 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, it's 3 by 4, square root of these one, 4 by 4 square root. This is only a trick. How we can get it, remember कि हम इसको कैसे याद कर सकते हैं, उसकी ट्रिक क्या है. ओके, नाउ 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4, 1 square root is 1, 4 square root is 2. Next 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So square root of 1 is 1, square root of 2 is square root 2, square root of 3 is square root 3, 4 का square root 2, this is cancel, 1 का square root 1. Or you can remember these values. If you can learn these values, you can get it. Remember, no need of this. This is only a trick that I have used to remember it. Okay. Now next value. Start from here. Here is 1, so I will write 1 here. Next value is root 3 by 2, so I will write root 3 by 2. Next value is 1 by 2. This is 1 by 2. Next value is 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 0. I have written the values of cos theta. Okay. Now tan theta. Tan theta is sine divided by cos. It means 0 divided by 1, 1, 0. 0 divided by 0 is 0. Okay, next is 1 by 2 divided root 3 by 2. When we divide is changes into multiply, this get reciprocal. So by solving this, I got value is 1 by root 3. Same is divided by same, I got 1. Root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, I got root 3. 1 by 0 is not defined. If 0 is in denominator, we cannot find the value. So next is cosecant. Cosecant is reciprocal of sine theta. So sine theta ka reciprocal, it means 1 by 0. It is not defined. We cannot define this. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of this one is root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of this is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Okay, now secant value. It is reciprocal of cos. Reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 by 2 is 2 by root 3. Reciprocal of 1 by root 2 is root 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Okay, in this way we can find out the values of cot theta also. Cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. It means reciprocal of 0 is not defined. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3 by 1. Next is reciprocal of 1 is 1, same. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of not defined. If reciprocal of 0 is not defined, so reciprocal of not defined is 0. Okay, these are the values of this table, and if, in 8.2, if they have given sine theta, sine theta is 30 degree, find the value of sine 30, cos 45, we can find the values from this table. Okay, now we will start exercise 8.2. In this statement, first statement they have given evaluate. We have to evaluate. They have given some values with angles. Evaluate. First question is evaluate. Here they have given sine 60, cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree and sine 30 degree. These we have to evaluate. So from table I will find the value. From table I have seen that sine 60 is root 3 by 2, and same when I checked in table, cos 30 is root 3 by 2 plus cos 60 is 1 by 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2. These are values that I get from table. Okay, now next is root 3 into root 3, 3 by 4 plus 1 into 1, 1, 2 into 2, 4. So 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is my answer. You can solve other sums of this part by easily. Hanji student, now I will tell you how to find the values from this table. How can we use this table? So if I have to find out the value of sine 45 degree, so sine is here, I will go along this side, and angles I have these one sides. So 0, 30, 45. Go from here and come from here. This value is sine 45 1 by root 2. Okay, if I have to find out cos 60, so cos line is here. Come from this, 60 line is here. So what value comes here? 1 by 2. You can find value like this. If I have to find cosecant 30, cosecant is here. So look from here, where is 30? 30 comes from here, this is 30. 39 is this one, so I got value this one. Okay, you can find these values easily. Thank you. Student, second part you can solve by yourself. I am going to solve third question. In third question they have given, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3, tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, we have to find the value of angle A and angle B. So look at this one. Here they have given tan a plus b is equal to root 3. From table, check. From table, find the value of root 3. In table of tan, you have to see where is tan 3, what angle mention root 3. When I have seen in the table, I got tan 30 comes at tan 60 degree. When I look at the table, I found the value of root 3 at tan 60. So tan cancel with tan, a plus b is equal to 60 degree. From table I found this value. Similarly this one, tan a minus b. When I saw 1 by root 3 value, I found at tan 30 degree. And tan cancel. So a minus b is 30 degree. Now combine these both equations. A plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b is equal to 30. Add these both one. So 2a is equal to 90. When this 2 goes on this side, so a is equal to 90 by 2, it becomes a 45 degree. If a is 45, then put value in this or this. You can put value in any equation. So I am going to put value a 45 here. B comes on this side, becomes positive. So 45 minus 30. Here is 15 degree B. So I got my value. A is equal to 45, B is equal to 15. You can solve other parts by yourself. These are very easy questions. You have table to see the values also. If you have again any confusion, you can talk to me. Thank you.